This video just to show how to replace the lamps, the LED downlights, trimless model. Some clients already install this downlight for trimless model. If we want to replace these bulbs, we don't need to break your ceiling. Just replace the LED model. This video just to show what's the inner design and how to replace. Firstly, replace the reflector. Plug out this reflector. Then you can see here both two sides. And we can use some tools or finger to pull them out. Okay, the lamps is done. You can see the inner side, trimless inner side is like this, and the LED model here to fix here. And let's see how to install the new lamps on the trimless frame. Okay, this is new LED model, and this trimless frame already installed on the ceiling. We just pull them in. It's fixed. And again, okay, out.